In this video, you will learn how to connect your new WMF 950S to the constant water supply. First, disconnect the machine from the mains. If the machine has already been operated with the water tank, please remove the remaining water from the water tank and empty the drip tray and the grounds box. Make sure the right connections are used. Size and thread must match for this. Screw the machine side connection piece tightly onto the thread of the machine. Next, the connection can be made to the on-site water tap. Now use the enclosed supply hose and press each end firmly into the respective connections. Check that the hose is firmly engaged by pulling on it. Now we turn to the drainage connection. Remove the drip tray. Carefully lay the machine on its side and guide the drain tube with the adapter into the inlet provided. The adapter must lock firmly into place. Check again that the adapter is firmly locked. Now you can carefully tip the machine back. The collection tray can now be reinserted and the drain hose connected to the on-site wastewater pipe. The drain tube must be laid with a steady slope up to the drainage connection so that no backflow can occur. Now open the water supply. When the tightness has been checked and no water is escaping, the machine can be reconnected to the mains. Finally, select the constant water option in the system menu item. Please remember to close the water tap for the water supply line after end of operations and to open it again at the start of operations.